Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to adjust column width and row height by using the shortcut key. Here is the data you can see here, and I want to adjust the column width, you can see, and row height by using the shortcut key. Just select all your data first and press Alt H O I. It will adjust the column width. Now I want to adjust the row height. Press Alt H O A. That's where you can adjust the column width and row height by using the shortcut key. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.